Hello everybody, Daryl Kemsley here with Throttle, and oh my gosh, thank you so much for 5,000 subscribers. Tanner, could you do fireworks? Woo! Like not right now in person, but like effects. Woo! 5,000 subscribers. So today is a super interesting day. Not only do we hit 5,000 subscribers, but I'm actually leaving tomorrow morning. I am flying to Singapore. I'm going to a crypto blockchain convention. I'm going to be there for a week, and after that I'm going to Indonesia, specifically Bali, where I will be working on a company with my business partners for all of February. So you're going to be seeing a lot of Tanner this month, and that's a great thing because Tanner's a great guy and it'll be fun. But for now, let's just take the beautiful modified off-road Xterra. This thing is a beast off-roading. Let's take a couple guns, the AR-15, the Glock. Let's take the people I love most in the world, my beautiful girlfriend in the car, and Tanner, he knows I love him. And let's get out of here. Let's go off-roading, let's go shooting, let's have a great day. Wow. Smith & Wesson, repping Springfield, Massachusetts. For those of you who don't know, I live in Utah, but actually went to high school in Massachusetts, so that is very close to my heart. I am a masshole at heart. I'm an idiot and seem to have lost my keys, so hopefully we get out of here after all. But for now, check out this Nismo exhaust. Look at that. This thing is going to be so delicious off-roading, I promise you. This is a beast. Alright, we're in the car going to this crazy, undeveloped, abandoned wilderness desert place in Utah. Happens to be 30 minutes from my house. And I can't believe I forgot to bring targets. So right now we're going to stop at a gas station. We're going to buy a lot of gallons of water. And we're going to shoot water jugs that we will clean up because we are all responsible here. Another F-up I did. I forgot to introduce Mila. Say hi. To you die-hard fans, you might remember her from my first video I ever released. That was a fun video for Tanner and I. I had to reshoot that video like 4 times because of mic issues. Editing was fun, it was our first time. Yeah, Mila was in that. And then there's Sienna. She's too cute for me. Just don't tell her that. Let's do this. Some very important German engineers, designers, for example, a BMW designer. All these people from Germany last year got bought out, contracted out by American companies, by Hyundai, by Toyota, and they are now designing for these Japanese American cars. So maybe if you're like me, you have noticed, holy cow, in the past 2 years, Japanese and American cars have really taken up a notch, and that is thanks to German engineers who got bought out. What the truck? Holy shit. We are getting invaded by trucks where I live. Like, Tanner and I and Sienna, we're all talking, and Sienna like, we need to move because we're just getting invaded by too many trucks. All right, let's go get some water and go shoot it up, you know?
VTech, bitch!
Okay, we are in the middle of nowhere, Utah right now, and I'm multitasking. I'm doing 2 things. I am looking where to turn off to go off-roading and go shooting. We got everything prepared, we got the water, we got everything, we're set. Second thing is I think I need to tell you my gun story. Before I start, I am not a gun activist by any means. I am not anti-guns by any means. To me, a gun is fun to shoot. And once every few months, I take my guns out and I go shooting in the middle of nowhere, go target shooting. I'm not for it, against it, whatever. I'm not going to get political. But it is such a good story about how I bought my first gun, which is an AR-15. I live in Utah. I was 18 years old. I'm 22 now, so this is, holy cow, 4 years ago. And I walk into a gun store on a regular street, State Street, with one reason and one purpose. I wanted to learn the gun laws here in Utah. I just drove my E46 BMW from Massachusetts, where I went to high school, here to Utah. I was a new local here, new to the environment, wanted to learn the gun laws just for fun, because guns are fun to shoot. I walked in there to inquire about gun laws, and I walked out of there with an AR-15 that I purchased on sale, 60% off for about 600 bucks. I thought there was going to be like a holding period, you know, like a 48-hour hold period. That way you can't be pissed and go in and buy a gun and get one immediately. But no, I was an 18-year-old kid, went in there with a couple questions, and I walked out with an AR-15 because it was on sale, and the laws are you can do whatever you want here in Utah. And because of that, I'm going to use my God-given right and go shoot some water bottles. Let's have some fun. We are middle of nowhere, Utah. Population, 3 humans and 1 dog. Let's do this. Roads are pretty rough and non-existent, but it gets better, trust me. Let's get some sick drone shots.
We're out here on the African safari. We've got Daryl and his Nissan Xterra.
Paparazzi even out here? All right, we're going to do some shooting. We're going to celebrate 5,000 subs. We're going to shoot some water bottles. And then we're going to pick up the trash because we're all about going green and shooting. Anyway, so what do we have? We have the G17 or a G19. I don't actually remember. This is a Glock. I used to be very into guns. It's a G19. I used to be very into guns, but not really anymore. It's been a few years. Don't know anything about this gun. I'm very bad at shooting it. Again, we're just having fun. Alrighty. By the way, no magazine in, no round in the chamber. We're good. Try to be as safe as possible.
Gun safety.
Gun safety. Please, if you're going to shoot, be very, very safe. Alright. Here we have a gun on safety that is not loaded. This is a Smith & Wesson, and I decided to bring my 22 rifle. Why do I have a 22? I have a 22 because I wanted a cheap way to practice target shooting. This is very, very cheap rounds to shoot. Fun gun. I have a tactical flashlight on here. It's got 3 options. Got light. I think it's like 1600 lumens or something.
Daryl, can we pause for the guy that's going 150 miles an hour?
Oh yeah. Holy cow. Okay, that is so much more dangerous than shooting is. Back to the goods. Welcome to the crib. We got the freaking 800 lumens. We got the freaking strobe effects, and we got the laser dot. So yes, it looks like Call of Duty when you look in this gun. Could you see that?
Wait. There we go.
The gun is on safety. It is not cocked. And yeah, you got a Call of Duty red dot scope. Let's have some fun and shoot some things. All right, Sienna's about to shoot, and we are going to do 5 water bottles, 1 per 1,000 subscribers we reach. Wait, does that mean we're like celebrating by shooting a metaphor of our subscribers? No offense, guys. This just makes this wasn't really well thought out. We're going to shoot you. I'm sorry. Let's do it. All right, you guys may not know this about me, but this is some Kemsley trivia, Daryl Kemsley trivia. Before I started this automotive YouTube channel, I was obsessed with guns and wanted to do a gun YouTube channel and do something cheesy like speak with a Chinese accent and be called FPS China or something. And as you could tell by my form and accuracy here, that I'm actually Navy SEAL qualified. True fact. All of that was BS. This is the first time I held a gun in my life. Yeah, this off-road Xterra might have thousands of dollars worth of mods. It might be a beast, but the best feature of this car, you could hide all your redneck weapons. No weapons here, officer. Not suspect. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video, and more importantly, thank you guys so freaking much for 5,000 subscribers. That is huge, that is amazing, and you guys are so supportive of us, and I promise you, we will hit 100K super soon. Thank you so much, and thank you to my beautiful girlfriend Sienna for taking time out of her busy day to come shooting with us. Thank you to the beautiful cameraman Tanner. It's been a fun day.
Oh yeah.
5,000 subs.
Couldn't be happier.
Great. And I'll see all of you guys in a month. I'm going to be in Singapore and Bali, so this is it for a month with my face. Love you guys and see you soon. It's getting cold out here, but before we leave, one last thing. I can't believe I forgot this. Thank you so much, and a huge shout out to Justin. You know who you are, Justin. I'm not gonna say your last name. I respect your privacy, but he is the previous owner of this car, and he was the one who put blood, sweat, and tears into making this an amazing off-road rig. And I love you so much, thank you. And also shout out to Crystal. If you're watching this, if you do, please let me know. She's my sister, so I could catch her and know if she watches my videos or not. Anyway, bye guys.